going on, guys? It's Justin from the J Media back with another video. So this is the first video of 2025. At the time I'm shooting this video, today is January 1st, 2025. So to start off the new year, we'll be giving my terrible Mitsubishi Lancer its very first startup of the year. And I'm also taking it to an event. This is the third time they're hosting this event, and it's an annual photo shoot media day. So there's a bunch of photographers, videographers hanging out by the 360 Pennebaker Bridge here in Austin, Texas, snapping rolling shots of the car driving, photos, and all that good stuff. So yeah, I've never been. I'm gonna go there, hang out, take the Lancer out, hopefully get some nice photos and videos. Last time there were like over 200 cars, so yeah, plan to get there early. All right. Gonna start her up, move it out of the garage. Alright, so I pulled the car off the garage, letting it warm up for a couple minutes before we drive it. All that carbon fiber really pops in the sun, so it is pretty sunny outside today. Should make some pretty good photos. Don't be deceived because it is pretty chilly. It's in the 40 something degrees Fahrenheit even though it's sunny. But yeah, we should have some really nice photos. Car looks immaculate. Alright, so right now we are driving to the meet. So yeah, trying to get there a little early. Hopefully you can get some good photos in before too many cars show up. Approaching Pennebaker Bridge, 360 bridge right here. So I believe the meetup spot should be down there in the boat docking bay. Just got to the event, got the parking right there. Thankfully came a little bit early. Still a lot of cars slowly rolling in. A lot of really cool cars, all different makes and models. Some pretty stock, some OEM plus. Mine looks a little crazy, but yeah, also see familiar cars. We got Eli over there, the EK9. Alright, and we just got the 360 Bridge Media Day Pass sticker. Is the third annual event. Like I said, there's still a bunch of cars slowly rolling in, and this is the third year they've been doing it. So pretty much you go take turns and take photos right there by the 360 Pennebaker Bridge. Alright, let's walk around, check out some of the builds before they get to going out and taking photos. So like I said, a little bit of everything here, from your trucks to your little convertible Miatas, to your daily drivers, your weekend cars, modified, OEM, OEM plus. It's a little bit of everything. Like I said, it's my first time at this event. Actually, there are a couple guys from our car group that are here. Even electric cars. Tesla Cybertruck. Shrek, Volkswagen. WRX beside the FL5 Type R, beside the new gen WRX, and with Eli's EK9 Type R.
And it, like the peripheral, it looked huge, and I was like, oh no! And I looked down and it's all naked, and so I pulled over and I walked up the freeway. It took me like 40 minutes to get up the freeway.
Of course, this FL5 Type R. This one's really cool. R32 GTR.
Yeah.
The Mark V Supra with a Marlboro vinyl wrap. We have the booth here selling merch. Miata. Like I say, a little bit of everything here. Audi S4.
You haven't seen it?
I think even in Mozart she brought the other one.
Yeah, the motorcycle we usually bring the 85 that we have.
Right. Oh, this is cool.
They're all home
Old
with
school
their
builds.
families.
Exactly.
I got a crew full of rookies.
So yeah, like I said, there's a little bit of everything here. Very cool. And a bunch of media.
Yeah, I got rim.
So I think we're just probably about to start shooting photos pretty soon. Oh, it's pretty cool.
Whenever I get What's up? I figured y'all be out here taking pictures.
Okay, so right now I think they're about to get everyone ready. Everyone's setting up the cars. Alright, so we're gonna go 2x2 for photos on the bridge. So first two already left, with the next two in line. Alright, so once we flip around, the Pennybacker 360 bridge should be that way. And they'll be able to snap some photos. And now we have Chris's FL5 Type R in front of mine, and we have Eli's EK9 Type R right behind mine, sandwiched between the two Type Rs. So earlier they were just pretty much standing right there by the bridge, just snapping photos, some still photos. If you want like rolling shots, videos, stuff like that, they do that as well, but it's a different package. So it's not free event. They do accept payment. So for photos, it's a separate price than videos. So we're pretty much gonna drive this loop round and round. 360 Pennybacker bridge is right there. So just gonna drive it up and down. Alright, and we're back. I made probably about 4 or 5 loops around. So we're going there, circling around. There's just photographers on one side. So we're just back to the parking lot. So we just got back to the parking lot after getting a couple shots around the bridge. So the good thing about getting here early is you can start driving around, get your shots in early. So right now, just have the car parked. Quite a lot of cars, so it's hard to find a parking spot, but pop the hood, just let it breathe. Hopefully get some photos, take down the engine bay. We also see some familiar faces here, so probably go walk around, say hi to some buddies. Oh, Datsun. Gotta love nice Datsun 240Z. Porsche. Oh, gotta love the old school. We also have Dom with his 240SX S13 drift car. Came here to check out Dom's S13 240SX drift car.
Sometimes his head latch doesn't work.
RB25 swap. Wow, you said making how much? 500?
500
Dang. 510 to the rear wheels. Wow. And been real reliable on the track?
Super reliable.
That's
been beating it
awesome.
for 3 years.
Continue walking around, check out some other cool cars. So quite a few guys have already left. Like I said, you pretty much go around, take photos, loop around, and photos will be out in about a week or two. Right now I feel a lot more Euro. This green Porsche is so clean. Another P car. The only other Mitsubishi here is this gray one right here, Evo 8, parked in the corner. The cool cars coming back. R32 GTR pop the hood. Alright, so I think I'm gonna head out right now. I think we got quite a few photos. Nice little meetup as well. So yeah, very cool. Like I said, a bunch of different cars, anything from your electric Cybertruck to your old school cars, to your daily drivers, your weekend cars, to your OEM, OEM Plus, to your highly modified show builds, a little bit of everything. Alright, so I guess let's close the hood. Let's head home right now. Head the hood pop, let it cool down for a little bit before I'll drive back home. Alright, have a nice little cool start. Alright, just made it back home. Parked the Lancer in the garage. Gonna pop the hood. Let the car cool down for a little bit. Alright, so just made it back home. All in all, had a great time. So if you guys want photos taken with your car on the 360 Pennybacker Bridge, they do it once a year on the first day of January, first day of the year. So yeah, hopefully next year we'll be able to go out, maybe take a different car, maybe the S2000, maybe the RCF. So hope you guys like it. Leave a thumbs up, subscribe. We'll catch you guys in the next video.